Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with ice machine. Today is November 22nd. Here I'm making a video to show our 2-byte machine. This is the 1 ton per day capacity 2-byte machine. 2 ton per day capacity, 3 ton per day capacity. And that machine is our 5 ton per day capacity 2-byte machine. They are all flooded refrigeration systems. Flooded refrigeration, that is a higher technology level compared to other Chinese machines. Flooded refrigeration, this higher technology allow you to make 2 kinds of ice. One machine can make 2 kinds of ice, both solid ice cylinder and hollow ice tubes. One machine can make 2 kinds of ice. I'm going to make a video with that 5 ton per day 2-byte machine to show 2 kinds of ice coming out of the machine. Flooded refrigeration, this higher technology can make your ice business becomes more profitable because they are more power saving. The flooded refrigeration 2-byte machines consume much less electricity to make the same amount of ice. For example, this 5 ton per day 2-byte machine is equipped with one 15 horsepower compressor. One 15 horsepower compressor is big enough to reach the capacity 5 ton per day, while other Chinese companies need to use a 25 horsepower compressor to reach the same capacity. A smaller compressor means lower electricity consumption. That make you spend less money for electricity bill, and that make your ice business much more profitable. Flooded refrigeration, this higher technology allow you to make much better quality ice than your competitors. Ice is going to be 100% transparent, crystal clear, because in the flooded refrigeration systems, the evaporating temperature is higher, so the water is getting frozen more gently. There will be no air stuck in the water when it's getting frozen. That is why you are getting much better quality ice, which is much more transparent, crystal clear. Besides the higher technology, we are using very good components. All the machines, they are equipped with the Refcom piston compressors. And more than 80% of the components are international famous brands. We use and only use good components to make our flooded refrigeration 2-byte machines. Besides the higher technology, we use all the good material. All these machines are equipped with a stainless steel frame like this. We are not using carbon steel, galvanized carbon steel, or carbon steel with painting. They are less quality. All the machine's ice generator is made of 100% stainless steel, like this. It is very well heat insulated and it's very strong. We are not using black foam to cover the ice generator. Using black foam to cover the ice generator is just like some kind of a joke, because the black foam is very weak. It can never last for a long time. After using for several years, you will see rusty liquid and glue coming out of the machine's ice generator. There are many companies in the market, they are using black foam to cover the ice generator. And that is really ridiculous. Choose my 2-byte machine with better material. Okay, ice start coming out from that 5 ton per day 2-byte machine. Let's put the camera here. Let's put the camera near the ice outlet so we can clearly check the quality of ice tubes made by the machine.
So this is the quality of the ice cubes made by our flooded refrigeration cube ice machine. With the higher technology, we can make better quality ice. With the better quality ice, you will become the winner in the ice market. Or you can sell the ice with a higher price because of the better quality ice, and your business will become more profitable. We can see the machine is making 100% solid ice. Okay, so this is all the ice made in one batch, and this is the video to show the quality of ice tubes made by our flooded refrigeration cube ice machines.